Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're diving into the data to completely demystify affiliate marketing for 2026. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, assuming you need a beautifully coded website to make any real money, the source material reveals a massive paradigm shift. Modern success is entirely about building an audience, not building a website. If you can cultivate trust, you can build a highly profitable revenue stream. Here's our roadmap for today. First, the no website myth. Second, where to share links. Third, top affiliate programs. Fourth, mistakes to avoid. And finally, starting your journey. All right, part one, the no website myth. Let's bust this illusion right open. So I've got to ask, do you really think you need a fancy website to start affiliate marketing? We've all been kind of conditioned to believe a .com domain is the only ticket in, right? Well, let's look at what the data actually tells us. Get this. A massive 79% of marketers are now using social media to promote their affiliate offers. That literally shatters the whole no website, no money myth. The vast majority of the industry is actively making their money way outside the world of traditional blogs and domain names. The core takeaway here? Social media is the new website. In 2026, trust is your actual currency. Whether you're a creator on TikTok, a freelancer posting on LinkedIn, or an educator doing deep dives on YouTube, your ability to provide value and build a relationship with viewers is what drives sales, not the HTML code on a web page. And hey, it's not just social media. Email marketing? It generates a staggering $36 return for every single dollar spent. That is an ROI most stockbrokers can only dream about. If you can build an email newsletter, you already possess this incredibly lucrative, completely website-free way to share affiliate links directly with a captive, engaged audience. Moving on to part two, where to share links and the best promotional channels. Think about the huge variety of valid promotional channels available to you today. You've got short-form video on Instagram and TikTok, long-form evergreen tutorials on YouTube, and, like we just said, newsletters where you totally own the audience. Throw in online communities, LinkedIn for B2B tools, Facebook groups, or even direct referrals to your freelance clients. All of these are highly converting spaces where just dropping a helpful link can generate some serious revenue. Take Pinterest, for example. It acts as a massive visual search engine. The strategy here is super simple. Step 1, research the relevant keywords people are actually searching for. Step 2, use SEO best practices to rank your pins higher. And Step 3, expand your reach. Since Pinterest is often the very start of someone's purchase journey, optimizing your pins can seamlessly guide consumers from just browsing right to the checkout page, completely bypassing the need for a blog. All right, part 3, top affiliate programs. Let's check out the best picks for 2026. But real quick, before we dive into the numbers, we need to clarify an essential piece of industry jargon. Cookie duration. This is simply the time window after a user clicks your link where a purchase still earns you a commission. So if a program has a 30-day cookie, someone can click your link today, wait 3 whole weeks to finally make the purchase, and boom, you still get paid. Understanding this is absolutely crucial. Okay, so looking at SaaS and business niche tools, the recurring potential here is just wild. Jotform gives you a 30% recurring commission for the first year with a really solid 60-day cookie. Fiverr offers 25% upfront plus a 10% revenue share for a year. And Social Pilot, they bring a 20% recurring cut for up to a year with a massive 90-day cookie. If your audience consists of businesses, agencies, or freelancers, you essentially do the work once and the checks keep coming month after month. Now, let's contrast two completely different beasts. On one side, you have Amazon Associates, super low barrier to entry, offering 0 to 10% commissions. The conversion rates are amazing because, well, everyone already trusts Amazon. But the cookie is an incredibly short 24 hours, meaning they better buy that blunder today. On the flip side, ClickBank focuses on digital courses and ebooks with a 60-day cookie and massive profit margins. They often use CPA, which just means you get a flat cash payout for a specific action or a huge revenue share. You just have to decide, do you want easy, everyday physical product sales or those high-ticket digital product payouts? Then you also have massive heavy hitters tailored to specific niches. Networks like Awin, CJ Affiliate, and Impact give you access to literally tens of thousands of brands, making them perfect for testing out multiple audiences. Etsy is your absolute go-to for DIY, craft, and visual lifestyle audiences. And Travel Payouts is specifically for travel creators, giving you access to flights and hotels with up to a 70% rev share on referred bookings. Seriously, there is a perfect home for whatever type of content you want to create. Which brings us to part 4, mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about common beginner pitfalls. To actually succeed in this space, you need to dodge 4 major traps. Number 1, focus. Don't join way too many programs at once, it just dilutes your message. Number 2, knowledge. Never promote a product you don't fully understand or haven't used yourself. Number 3, transparency. Never ignore disclosures or platform rules. Honestly, just saying, hey, this is an affiliate link builds trust instead of breaking it. And number 4, audience alignment. Don't just chase a high commission product if it doesn't actually fit your audience's real needs. This all really boils down to this one powerful insight from our sources. Strong affiliate marketing usually comes from authentic recommendations and practical examples. I want you to really remember that. Trust will always outlast any single commission check. If you show someone exactly how a tool solved a real problem for you with a practical example, the sale just becomes a natural byproduct of your authenticity. Finally, part 5, starting your journey. Let's get into your action plan. All right, here is your ultimate streamlined game plan broken down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, start simple. Pick just 1 or 2 programs that are a genuine, solid match for your followers. Step 2, promote those products using authentic, practical content. Show them, don't just tell them. And step 3, patiently build that trust and track your conversion so you can tweak things based on what the data actually says is working. So I want to leave you with this final thought to chew on. What is your specific niche, and which platform are you going to start building your audience on today? The technical barriers are totally gone, and the programs are out there waiting. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see what you build.